going on, guys? Today we're on the KTM 890 Duke R 2021 model. Currently I've got to set it into sport mode, just having a little play around. So far, knees fairly bent, but not uncomfortably bent like a sports bike. Body position fairly upright. Okay, it feels light, it feels nimble, quite similar to the MT-09. Similar power to the MT-10, but it's just not the same. The MT-10 with its cross-plate engine, its big bang engine, is just something else. I'm yet to ride the 1290, but I will at some point in the future. It's turning out to be a lovely day, so here I am, just enjoying this road. I'm going to go up and down this road a few times because it gets up to the national speed limit and it's got a couple of bends on it, so we'll see how it gets on. Second gear, a little bit of clutch, 40 miles an hour. So here we are, ladies and gents, 2021 890 Duke R in the white. Tell me what you think. Got Brembo's front and rear, Brembo's master cylinder. The front brake, it's just a bit too much slack for me. I like mine, so as soon as I start pulling that lever, it's starting to brake straight away. Stock can, stock exhaust. It's got the Michelin Power Cup tyres. Okay, so pretty simple from right to left. Obviously throttle, you've got the kill switch, starter switch in the same button. Left hand side at the front with the left forefinger. Okay, you pull it towards you, as you can see. You've got the passing light, push it forward and you've got full beam. On the left hand thumb here, we've got set on the right hand side, up and down arrow, and then back button. So if you imagine set as the enter button, so click in, up and down. If you want something, click set, i.e. enter. Once you're happy, push the back arrow. Below that, got the indicators. Underneath that, the horn. And that is it for the 890 Duke. That's it there with the left indicator on. That's what she looks like behind. Sound test. Remember, this has got this stock exhaust. If you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I have plenty more videos like this coming your way.